report is not merely a document of numbers, but because it is a mirror of the direction in which the state is moving. And Jannami, carefully when we look at this survey, one uncomfortable truth emerges, and that's because is that Goa's economy today is growing in numbers, but its foundation is becoming weaker. Because the growth that we see today is not a balanced growth. And that's because, Zoritor Goenchi economy choilar, the economy survey clearly tells us that the primary sector asa, खास करून they contribute only 5.74% to the gross state domestic product. Intun agriculture, fisheries and mining together contribute just 6% because of our economy. Let us think about this very carefully. Ajitli generation, amche rural Goa, je agriculture, fishing, and traditional livelihood astale. Today, the entire economy has been reduced to less than 6%. And this is something that is absolutely shocking. Yet the government keeps on talking about Swayam-Purna. Agriculture contributes barely 5%. How is Goa Swayam-Purna? It's because this is the slow disappearance of rural Goa and an attack on our occupations and livelihood. It has been shown that this growth will be driven by mining. Because Zoridor Ami 21-22, if you see, it was minus 13%. Suddenly it rises to 16.72% in 24-25. Why? Not because of the new agriculture policy, not because Shetkar are prospering, not because mining has started, because so the government should be honest. And if, because of these growth numbers will collapse, that means the economic story of Goa is still dependent on one single volatile sector. And tourism, tourism seems to be dominating the economy. Survey has revealed that a tertiary sector now contributes because to 43.5% of our economy. Numbers the numbers in 2021 tourists are 3.3 million Sarkar figure dita 10.8 million tourists in 2025. But this is an important fact because 95% जे tourists eta Goyan te sagle domestic tourists. Only 5% of the tourists are foreign tourists. It's because ye खूप important issue. This is a worrying cause of concern. आणि सरकाराचे म्हाका दिसता हे जे नंबर दिलेले आहे खास करून इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट हे गोंयांत येता टुडे वी आर एंटायरली डिपेंडंट ऑन डोमेस्टिक टुरिस्ट and an economy today because when we are talking about tourism entirely the state of Goa is backbone asa. What has happened in Gulf tourism today when सुरवातेक सकाळच्या वेळा आमी सांगलेले आसा जे LPG चे प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक जाला it has been done in Bangalore. Mukhyamantri is aware. He is aware of the problems that are faced and it is going to see in the future. But whether Goa is prepared, Bangalore has said that it is going to be a crisis. Chennai has said that it is going to be a crisis. Mumbai has said it is going to be a crisis. After Chief Minister, Magadista, one global shock, one crisis, and the entire economy will basically feel the impact.